Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
BOSH! Today we are going to be making our fantastic sticky ginger tofu triangles. They are going to be perfect for your Christmas party platter.
If you like the sound of that, then hit subscribe because we bring delicious plant-based recipes to this channel almost every day. Let's get cooking.
First up, we are going to be making our fantastic marinade. Now, our marinade is going to be citrusy because of the marmalade and the lemon. It's going to be really spicy because of the red chili. It's going to be fantastically sweet because of the brown sugar, and it's going to make a wonderful dressing for these lovely little blocks of tofu that we're about to show you how to make.
Look at that, it looks incredible already. The room is filling with fragrance, perfect to hit that tofu sponge, which is ready to take on flavour. This has been really, really well pressed. So dude, why are we cutting these in triangles?
I kind of like triangles. 3 is a good number. The power of 3, you always tell me, is a very, very real thing, and a triangle has 3 sides.
Can't relate.
So get your tofu triangles on the baking tray and then drizzle over your wonderful, sticky, Christmassy marinade. Now don't worry, there is a lot of marinade there, but purposefully so. The idea is that you want the tofu at least half covered with this fantastic marinade.
So we're gonna bake this for about 50 minutes. You wanna check halfway, turn them over, and keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn.
The best thing I like about this dish is that you can have it as part of your Christmas party platter, or you can have it on top of rice with a bit of griddled bok choy. Fantastic little dinner. We've served these with sweet chili sauce, but you could easily do it with sriracha, rustle up something else yourself, stick cocktail sticks in the top of them, or just nibble them with our fingers.
So there you have it. Those were our sticky ginger tofu nibbles, perfect for a party, super Christmassy, and part of our Christmas series on BOSH. How do they taste?
They're really, really good. Again, the ginger comes through, the orange comes through, they've got a nice kick to them. They are literally the perfect thing to have on a party platter.
Very tasty.
Yeah, it is.
Well done, dude.
No worries.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas indeed.
So if you like that, hit subscribe because we're always cooking for you and we've got so much Christmas vegan goodness coming to this channel.
And if you've got any opinions, we want to hear them. Use the comment section below and write your little comments and we'll have a little read and we'll make little videos and make you really happy.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. But for now, that's it. Bish,
Bash,
BOSH!